Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Today we are going to be learning how to use the pedal shifters. I will be using my 2019 Mustang GT as a tutorial car. However, any car with the pedal shifter is going to follow the same suit. In this video, we will be going over some of the basics for the pedal shifters and most importantly, how to upshift and downshift without damaging your car. Most cars these days with any sporty intention is going to be equipped with pedal shifters. And to be honest, they can be really fun to use. So I think it's important to know how to use them properly without damaging anything on your car. With that being said, let's dive right into the video. So here's the steering wheel on my Mustang, and if you're looking at the steering wheel on your pedal shifter equipped car, you'll see two pedal shifters, one to your right with a plus sign on it. This will be used for upshifting the car, and you're going to see one to your left with a minus sign on it, which will be used to downshift the car. There are some cars with pedal shifter extensions, which I think are easier to use, but these work just fine. Here's a little demo of the pedal shifters without the car in motion. So I press the right paddle plus, you see it goes to second gear, and now I press the left paddle minus, it goes back to the first gear. Before you use the pedal shifters, make sure you put the selector in S or M setting, as that will allow you full manual control as opposed to using the paddles in D or drive mode. We will cover that later in the video. Alright, so let's talk upshifting. As you accelerate your car, you can press the right paddle, which is a plus sign, to go up a gear. You don't have to let go of your gas pedal to change the gears. Sounds pretty simple, doesn't it? Now you may be wondering, how do you know when to upshift the car? Unfortunately, I cannot give you the exact answer as each car is different because of different engine options and gearing ratio. However, since you're just starting out, let's try to shift around 3000 RPM or so. Now in this clip, I will be upshifting multiple gears, so I want you to pay attention to the RPM and the gear selector. Alright, so now for the fun part, downshifting. So you'll press the left pedal shifter, which is the minus sign, to drop a gear. And as you might have guessed, you don't have to let go of the gas pedal as you're doing that. When you drop a gear, your RPMs are going to shoot up. This allows the engine to stay in its power band, giving you more power on tap to have fun with. Now as you're learning how to downshift, let's keep the RPM 3000 or below before you hit the pedal to downshift. I want you to pay attention to the RPM as I'm dropping the gears. See from these clips, if you leave the selector in drive and use the pedal shifters, it works just fine, but it reverts back to automatic shifting if it detects that you're not using the paddles. This is for people who accidentally hit the pedal shifter but have no desire or even know how to use it, so the car protects itself. Which is something I want to highlight. As you probably know, most cars are heavily controlled by computers these days, and in case of paddle shifting, it will always try to protect itself. So if you're having fun on the back roads and you or near red line forget to upshift, it's either going to cut power or shift it for you. Trying to downshift and your downshift is going to put your RPMs way past red line, it's going to deny you the shift. With all these safety measures in place, I think it would be extremely difficult for you to damage anything on your car. So put that fear aside, go out there, practice as much as you need, and most importantly, have fun with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found this video to be helpful in learning how to use the pedal shifters. Please consider giving it a like and subscribing to Red 50 for more content. Here's 2 more videos with Corsa Extreme Catback on my Mustang GT. Enjoy.